Alright, let's go. I'm ready.
Turn the 2 pound.
You got the heavy ball?
Yeah, let's go.
So we're gonna go right here, right? Ball screen shit. So now we're gonna deny the screen and go around it. So let me see. One thing I will say about these gloves, the quality isn't that great. They started falling apart as soon as I got them. So we're gonna go here. Oh yeah. So we're gonna wait on the screen, wait for it, it's coming, go behind it. Then split that, float. Same shit. I'm gonna guard, I'll guard, let me see. Run me into the screen actually, and I'll try to recover. I'll fake recover. So I'm guarding you. Screen comes, you ran me into it, I'm trying to go around it, but not go this way. Alright, and then I'll try to recover. Just try to make it like game like. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Run me into that. Yeah. Just like that, just like that.
But.
So be patient though. Two speeds. Come on. Run me into it. Yep. Yeah, because now the big coming up now, he's seeing the guards in trouble, so now you floated. Good shot. Yep. Good shot. Don't worry about it. You going 5 with the heavy ball, 5 with the real ball. Yep. Good shit. Here we go. Do something different now. Yep, there you go. 5. Switch balls. Whatever ball you want. Touch work. Yep. Good shot. See the difference now after the heavy ball? Oh, yeah. Fingertip. There you go. Yep. I like how you read. I was about to try to go for that steal.
Yep.
Read it. Make everyone different. Get in there. That's 3. Let's go. I know what we're gonna work on next, actually. Beers. Because on a lot of these, you should be beering me. Good shit. Finish. It's all good. It's reps. Where the heavy ball go? Reps. Reps. It don't matter. Make some miss. Let's go. I'm waiting on that screen. I'm waiting on it. Fingertip. Here we go. Bringing them down, waiting on that screen. 1, 2. 2. Here we go, right to it. Bump. Finish. That's that beer. Here we go. Bringing them down. Here you go. 5. Anything? Stop. So now I'm going beer floating. So like the beer is when I can step, so you're on me. I cut that foot off, 1, 2. Beer. Here we go. You're still dunking though, you're too young. No beers for you. All dunk. Ah! How many is that? 3 or 2? Here we go. Get in there. Ah! Good D. Good way to not foul. Here we go. 2 more. Last one. Ah, shit. Did too much. Hey! Free throws. Let me take these gloves off. Free throws, make 5. That's the thing, like, I gotta get my reaction time back with the ball. Make 5. Make 5. Good shit. I feel like we get to the point like all our shit be like all game shit. Yeah. Cause then we'll get kind of tired and get more out of our hour. If we got time, we could break and do another session like all shooting. So ideally, I would want to go a session with dummy D and then a session with just reps and touches. Yeah. Ideally, you know what I mean? Given the schedule. Get in there. Ah, come here. Come here, boy.